Install tempered glass on an iPhone 5s. So we bought a brand new tempered glass. We have our iPhone right here. What we need to do is, before, just remove the excess dust with the cloth. Wipe it. It's pretty good. Yeah, it looks clean. Yep, pretty nice. We're gonna open it from the box. It comes with two wipes, number 1 and number 2. We're gonna open number 1 first. We open number 1. I'm gonna wipe the number 1 on the screen. You can see the number 1 is a wet one. So we're gonna go, it's getting wet here. Yeah, that's a good one. Do it all over the phone. Nicely. For about 30 seconds. Then you go open number 2. And you're gonna dry the number 1. So number 2 is open. Go to do that over the phone. As you can see, it's getting dry now. Can you see it's getting dry? It's getting dry here. Perfect. We're gonna open the case. Comes in the, taking it out, it says the back is right here. We're gonna peel it off the plastic. We're gonna put the phone here and make sure it's aligned. And once we got it aligned, what we do is we're just gonna drop it. Like, drop it like it's hot. And we're just gonna drop it, and as you can see, it's getting glued out automatically. Boom. It's done. And we're just gonna go on it a little bit, and what a perfect job. That's how you put a tempered glass like a pro.